Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, I am taking a look at Gold High EA, an expert advisor available for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, examine the features and settings provided by the developer, and then discuss the historical testing performance and how to properly evaluate the results. All right, so starting with the marketplace page, Gold High EA is currently listed at 250 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 80 US dollars. This is version 5.1, updated in February 2024. The developer describes it as a fully automated trading robot built from what they refer to as their best Forex trading strategies. Now, one of the first details highlighted on the page is that all trades are protected by a stop loss. The developer also states that users can choose between fixed lot sizing and automatic lot management, providing some flexibility depending on individual risk preferences. Okay, so now as I continue through the description, the developer mentions that the EA has passed live testing for more than 116 weeks and includes what they describe as smart entries calculated using 9 different strategies. No additional details are provided regarding the specific logic behind those strategies, so it is important not to make assumptions beyond what is disclosed on the marketplace page. Now, looking at the recommended trading setup, Gold High EA is designed to work on XAUUSD using the M15 time frame. The developer also notes that trade frequency is relatively low, with a focus on what they describe as lower risk entry opportunities. Moving down to the settings section, the configuration appears fairly straightforward. There is an option for 3-digit gold pricing accounts, along with adjustable stop loss and take profit values. Users can also define a maximum allowed spread before new positions are opened, which can help control trading during unfavorable spread conditions. Additional settings include trade comments, magic number identification, and the choice between fixed lot and auto lot money management. If auto lot is enabled, there is a parameter that controls how position sizing increases over time according to the selected money management approach. Now, let us just move over to the backtesting section. Whenever I review historical backtest results, I treat them as historical analysis rather than evidence of future performance. Backtesting can provide valuable information about how an expert advisor behaved under past market conditions, but it should never be viewed as a guarantee of future results. Okay, so looking at what we have here from June 2022 to September 2024, the expert advisor generated over 5,700%. All right, and then drawdown was over 32%. I can see 32.95%. Okay, here we have a 395.23% growth. We have quite an interesting curve here. Initially it was sort of stagnant before it started rising at this point and rising continuously. Okay, and then here we can see 552 trades taken. Looking at this strategy report, I can see that the monthly growth was 27.18%. Trades per week with just 1. Okay, let's head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how this EA performed. The Gold High EA on XAUUSD on the M15 time frame as recommended over the past 3 months. All right, so from an initial deposit of $10,000, we didn't have a trade taken. If I look at the journal, I can see there seems to be an error message here about the data error, about the volume limit. Let us just go turn on the visuals. At least let us see the EA in action. If we don't have any report here about executed trades, let us at least see how the EA, works. All right. So as we review the chart history and the testing data, we are looking at how the EA responded to historical price movements on XAUUSD. The developer indicates that entries are based on a combination of 9 strategies and are designed to be selective rather than frequent. Beyond that statement, no further strategy details are provided, so the chart activity should be interpreted carefully without assuming additional entry or exit rules. The historical testing results can still help identify patterns in trade timing, position management, and overall behavior throughout the tested period. However, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Now, as for the results, historical testing performance can vary significantly depending on things like the lot size selection, money management settings, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and any optimization performed by the user. All right. Overall, the Gold High EA is a gold focused MT4 expert advisor designed for XAUUSD on the M15 time frame. All right. It offers automated execution, stop loss protection on all trades, flexible money management options, and configurable spread controls. As always, independent testing and optimization are important steps before you consider any live deployment. So if you are really interested in this expert advisor, you would want to test it over a tangible period of time, maybe 1 year, 2 years, or even 3 years or more. All right, so you can cover a wider range of market conditions and get a more comprehensive result. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.